Guys, it's Dietitian Becky. Today I want to talk to you about one of my very favorite products at 310, our greens. And I know I've talked to you about them before, but today I kind of want to spotlight and help you get to know our product a little bit more. First of all, our greens are fantastic. That's the one reason I like them. They taste good, because if it doesn't taste good, I'm not going to spend my money on it, right? Nor are you, and I'm not going to recommend it to you. So why else do I love this besides the fact that it tastes good and it smells good? It is just fabulous. 70 superfoods, lots of vitamins and minerals to help with the antioxidant, to help us because we're super busy people. And when I'm a pretty good eater, right? That's my job, so I kind of know what to eat. But even on days when I think I'm eating good, I'm probably not. So I always have my greens as a backup. Or on days when maybe you're running around, if you're a crazy mom or a busy at work, taking these with you and keeping them in your water bottle are so fantastic. You can even add them to shakes. I love them in shakes. There's one called Fruity Pebbles, I think, that a lot of people have, which sounds bad, but it's really not, because the greens make it taste fruity. So we love this product because it has 70 superfoods, 12 vitamins and minerals that support your health from the inside out, with antioxidants from the fruits and the vegetables. There's so many of them. I'm not going to name them. You can read the label. And you guys may have heard me talk about prebiotic and probiotic. Prebiotic is fiber, so this has a little fiber in it, insoluble and soluble. Soluble fiber is the stuff that's more like gel through your system, kind of like it absorbs, it's really good for your cholesterol levels. The insoluble fiber is the fiber that just kind of goes through and keeps you regular. So this has fiber in it that not only feeds your gut, it helps keep you regular, it's good for your cholesterol. It also has the probiotic, which are the good gut bacteria. So it has, I think, 10 different strains of the probiotic in there. So it has the gut bacteria, then it has the food that feeds the gut bacteria, then it has all the vitamins and minerals. It's just a fantastic product, all in one little scoop. It's just amazing. It also has digestive enzymes, which can help you more easily release the nutrients in your food, especially for some of us as we age. Our guts don't work as good, so our digestive enzymes are not so fabulous. And that's just a little boost to help you break down food you may be eating, or just help release the nutrients from your food. Greens, as you can see, are one of my favorite products. It has prebiotic, probiotic, vitamins and minerals, digestive enzymes, so many great things that we all need as a backup to our busy lives, because we try to eat good, but on days that we can't, we definitely need a product like this. So reach out, grab yourself some, and if you have any questions about this product or any product, just reach out to me, Dietitian Becky, or anybody on the staff. We would be happy to answer your questions, and go get yourself some delicious greens today.